video to start off the new series on organizing your computer. You'll be organizing your desktop and files by folders. While a lot of this should be very common sense, the idea is to create folders to organize your life by areas of responsibility. Let's start off at a blank desktop. I'm going to create a files folder where everything is going to go inside. I like to do this to keep a very clean desktop. You don't really need to do that. It's just something I like to do. Next, put folders inside that folder that represents areas of your life. For instance, high school, scouts, programming, and wit are all parts of my life that I need to keep organized. I also like to put one miscellaneous, I think that's how you spell it, folder, and another one for photos. Of course, all these folders are going to vary depending on what you have going on and what files you have for what. Once you have this set up, it's important to put folders inside each of these folders to further narrow down what you're looking for when you're looking for it. For instance, inside high school, I could put a freshman folder. And inside this freshman folder, I could put a fall and a spring folder, because I have different classes in either one. And then inside the fall folder, I could put my fall classes, Spanish 3, biology, English 9 honors, and ISP. Stuff like that. Just narrow it down so that way when you're looking for something, you can find it very easy. It is never too late to reorganize. Of course, everything else, it's really up to you. Inside Scouts, I could put different folders for all the different rank advancements. Inside Programming, I could have different folders for different types of projects, or different folders for who I'm working on projects with. You can also organize your computer storage. One great part about having many different folders is having the option to export them to flash drives very easily when your computer runs out of space. I think that's all I have for today. Tune in next time for our Google Sync with Google Drive. Have an awesome day, and I will see you next time.